What if the key to combating climate change was hidden beneath our feet, embedded in the very soil of the fields? In How Biochar Fights Climate Change in the Gambia, we delve into the groundbreaking work of Fortis Invicta. This innovative project takes agricultural waste and transforms it into biochar. Biochar is a powerful tool in our fight against climate change, locking away carbon, enriching soils, and significantly reducing harmful emissions. It's more than just a carbon storage medium, it's a catalyst for change. Join us on a journey from the farmers' fields of the Gambia to a wider, global climate action. See how green jobs and a commitment to a zero-waste future are being realized one field at a time.